If you have one picture of something, you can make a little story with one picture. At the end of the shot, you can take a screenshot, give it again, and you have now a new image of that character in a different situation, and you can go like this. So I think with one image, you can stay in the flow and make a story. It's really easy in that way. The image you upload to Flow is working like a canvas. The thing is, exploring this technical stuff is good, but the people are getting used to it. So I think the next step is the story. We like seeing interesting things with AI, but everyone, in the end of the year, everyone is going to get used to it. And so what? So what is the story? And because of that, I think learning story is a good start for still be a player in AI era, or it's just stays like hobby if you don't know storytelling. The people like me who has no opportunities to take this job without AI, because I have never made a music video with camera. So it's impossible for me to make a Turkish biggest rap stars music video and Turkish biggest pop stars music video, because I have no portfolio of music video here. But now with the Flow, I can work with global brands. It changed the people like me. The most fascinating part of Flow is generating local people, local places with local speech. It's mind-blowing for us. The unique thing we can achieve with Flow, Wave3 and Imagine, and we cannot with any of other tools, is localization. The buildings look like Istanbul buildings, streets look like Istanbul streets, and people look like Istanbul local people. When the characters come to life, started talking, we can speak in Turkish like a local person, with local gests and gestures, with a local, speaking.
İnsan dokunuşu hala belirleyici.
We are entering the golden age of storytelling.